So welcome to Anzio 2026. And number two, happy Ferragosto, buon Ferragosto a tutti italiani. Number three, this is summer vacation. We are on summer vacation this 2026. Here is our location. We are in Anzio this year. So join us live and direct. Alessia is not feeling okay, Messi. I guess. No, it's okay. Cut out.
Okay, stand up.
Cut out. Stand up, Alessia. So yes, your glory say hi.
Not here. Not far.
Habibi, come to. Look at Mercy. Olivia, where we are. We are in Anzio at the moment. So join us. Mimi say hi. Mercy say hi. Cut out. So we are here in Anzio this year 2026 for summer. Let's stop screaming. For summer vacation, guys. So join us live and direct as we are here. Thanks for being here, everyone, and thanks for watching. And let's say hi. Say hi. Look at Mama. Look at Mama, baby. So we are here. Look at the girls over there. So today is actually August 15 in Italy. So we decided to make a memory and come to summer vacation. Let's go.
Yo. Stop.
Signora, scusa, aiutami a reggere questa telefono per favore.
A reggere?
Sì, stare qui per favore se possibile.
Scusa, guarda, vado
Guarda, devo fare. No, solo sto facendo il video. Quindi aiutami a reggere solo. Ok, se solo così. 5 minuti e basta. Scusa, mi fai disturbo,
tanto.
Scusa. Scusa se disturbo,
Bene.
Grazie mille.
Prego.
Buon Ferragosto. So we are here. We are here in. Can you see? I have to call people to come and help me to hold the video, guys. It is very bad sad. I have family. Anzio. Very cute. Okay. Our location here is this. It's friendly place for children as well. Can you see people? Yeah. The girls are there. Gloria and Olivia, and thanks for watching. Bye everybody.
Pictures. Your phone is 5%. That is the only important thing to you now.
For you to say that's rubbish talk, you are not eating nothing.
Okay, then I'm
Look at Mercy also. Whenever I'm recording video, I keep telling you stop saying rubbish.
Mommy, can I go to that water to raise my body? It's a place to mommy. I'm going. Mommy, no, it's in a home. Not all love. Oh, Mommy, it's in a snack to go.
Okay, let's go. Before the water went away. Okay, look at me, Alessia. Alessia. Guys, they say now you see water, now you run away, run, guys. It's extremely hot. Wow. When people so they put their back like this. Hold on for it. So Glory, let's go. It's smelling hot, guys. So Alexa, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Use this to cover yourself. Okay.